Mortgage lender Mandy Phillips tells me interest rates are at about 6 to 7% right now due to the conflict with Iran. However, she says these interest rates are still lower than they were last year.
Spring is usually the busiest time for the housing market. However, mortgage lender Mandy Phillips says the current conflict between U.S. and Iran is starting to impact the market.
It has driven up oil prices, and when oil prices increase, that increases inflation, and then interest rates start moving back up.
Phillips noted that the interest rates overall have gone down. However, she says by the end of the conflict, interest rates can go back up to the way they were.
It's possible, depending on what this war outcome looks like, that we may end up back where we were interest rate wise.
Currently, with a 6.1% interest rate, a home buyer can expect to pay about $2,500 a month on a $4,000 home, a slight increase from February's monthly payment of about $2,300, which could impact what buyers end up choosing to get.
Now that the interest rates have started to climb up again, they no longer qualify in that specific price range.
While interest rates are expected to slowly continue to rise, Phillips says there are ways to still become a homeowner.
Just that they talk with the loan officer very early on in the process, way before actually house hunting.
She says a loan officer can get a sense of what the monthly payment would be for each person, while saying a loan officer can help navigate getting closing costs covered and getting seller credit.
And that'll help them decide, is this affordable? Is this the right time for me? Instead of actually thinking of whether or not this is this the right time to buy?
Phillips says interest rates are changing daily, so it's important to talk to a mortgage lender before starting your home buying journey. Live in Reading, Alexis Bruno, the North States News.